As far as reloading, if I think I've got an empty mag or something, there's a couple ways to do this. And the principle behind this, I want to minimize the amount of time that I don't have a magazine in my gun. Think about that. I want to minimize the amount of time I don't have a magazine in my gun. I could do this and then go around here, and I've got a gun in my hand, but how many bullets do I have? I got one right now, right? So I want to minimize that time. I want to get the gun up because I could drop the other mag. Once I get a magazine in there, I could drop that and engage or do something else. So that's the reasoning behind what I'm about to show you. I think I'm low on bullets or whatever. I'm out here on the range, I can go up into my workspace, I can check it. Some of them you got the clear windows, but I can feel the weight of the mag, like I got a full mag there. If I feel like it's only got a couple rounds, I'll insert it back. I'll come get this mag, grab it any way you want. I do the V technique. There's an L technique, there's a way you grab it like this, and I'll let you experiment with it. Me, the way I grab it, I grab here, and I keep this in this hand with these last two fingers for me, right? It's just easier for me. And I come here, and when I go to insert this, it's against the heel of my hand when I insert it, right? Here, and I can tug, and I can put this one up, whatever. Some people do it differently. They go here, and they grab their magazine like the beer can grip. They come in, they grab here, and they turn it like an L. See how it's like an L? Pull it, push in, pull, push, pull, put the other one back up. Some people come in, they grab it like a beer can, and they just put a finger in between, right? So they're both parallel with each other. Just pull one out, insert the other one, and then slide this one back off like that. I don't like that one because I tend to drop it. I don't have a good grip on this other one. I'll end up dropping the mag anyway, the one that I'm trying to put away. Again, I go back to the same method that I've always done, is put my palm of my hand or the heel of my hand on top of that thing, get a good grip. And I come up and grab that thing out with these fingers because they got good positive control. These fingers just against the heel of my hand, I can insert, push, pull, put that up. Call that a tactical mag, or to the principle I talked about yesterday, reload when you want to, not when you have to, right? So I want to have full mag anytime I can. So if I just shot a couple guys and the chances are, I don't know what the rest of the environment holds for me, or I'm going into another room, or I'm moving on to somewhere else, I can change that mag out and get a fresh mag in. Make sense? So it's your responsibility to do that. So other mag out your pouch first, bring them both up, replace that mag with a new one, put the other mag, the old mag, back up somewhere where you know that I have a half or a partial mag somewhere. If it was in the front, I wouldn't want it in the front of my shit. I'd put a full one up front, put a partial back in the rear somewhere. Make sense? All right, so try it one time, any technique you want. Go ahead and move up to the line. So all you're doing, bring it up in your workspace, get out the full mag.
You can still do the change.
And change the partial mag out for a full mag. And then put the other one up. Just some exposure on it right quick.
Jack, where's your glass?
All right, this is just a basic uptrade of what we're gonna hit. We're gonna hit some, we'll tell you either a double tap or a control pair, you know the difference? A double tap would be something, say if I see a guy that just surprised the shit out of me and I'm putting some rounds as quick as I can on him to throw him off so I can assess where else I need to shoot or what else I need to do. Just boom, boom. A control pair would be boom, and now I'm trying to put another round in that same hole, boom. So like a half-second count, 1 and 2, right? Boom, boom, need to get something on him quick, cause a reaction, or boom and boom. All right, depressed muzzle or low ready, right? This is not ready to shoot, so we don't have to be in this position. Once we turn and we're close to each other, I might have to do this to watch my muzzle, but if I'm hunting and I'm getting prepared to shoot, all I need is this much room to look over my sight. That way my chin can miss the buttstock and I can look around if I have to. And I can bring this right up to my eyes. Can everybody see that? Right up to my eyes, I'm ready to shoot. That's depressed muzzle or the low ready for range use, right? High carry, here. I'm gonna let y'all experiment with this. I'm not gonna beat it up a little bit. High carry, it's not up on my shoulder like some people do. The buttstock is compressed under my elbow or my chicken wing, and I'm looking over the front sights essentially. So I'm missing people that might be in front of my muzzle if I need to, but I'm looking at what's around me through that barrel or that front sight post area. And when it's time to shoot, I push forward because I got to clear my armpit here, and I lock it in. That's the high carry. Make sense? All right, so you can go from either one of those, and we'll watch you and see what you're doing, or I might dictate go from the high carry. But all you're gonna do is line up on the line. We're gonna be putting one shot initially in our little white card in the head box, right? Focusing on that trigger pull, that hold off, and that safe to semi manipulation, and back to safe, okay? And we're gonna see how you're doing on that. So we'll call them out, and the shots will be on the whistle. So we'll tell you what to shoot, how to shoot it. On the whistle, you shoot. Then back to safe, let them hang. Make sense? Yep. Look like this. So if Mick tells me one shot from the low ready. From the low ready. Shoot too high.
Do it again.
Again. Yeah. Again.
2 shots, low ready.
Rising up again.
Give me a controlled pair from the high ready.
Still got my hold off high. What do you want?
Sand the floor.
Who?
Sand the floor.
All right. One shot, one perfect shot from the low or depressed muzzle. Good stance, guys. Everything's the same. Back to safe, down.
Hey guys, when you're putting those mags in, if you're jamming your magazines completely full and the bolt is closed, and then when you shoot and the magazine falls out, what was the problem? Wasn't seated. Seat
Happens a lot
out.
with a full mag on a closed bolt. Same thing again. From the high ready, one shot. Same thing.
Hey, look back here. Look, you're here. You're not like mounted up, pointing like you're a mortarman. You're down under your arm.
Again, why that sling on the end of the buttstock sucks.
Ready?
Depress muzzle, control pair. Depress muzzle, control pair.
Shoulder, you're now got the stock shouldered.
Looking over the sights.
Controlled pair. Stock is shouldered.
All right. What are 3 things that you're telling yourself after you shoot? Did I hit? Did it work? Does it need some more? So give yourself that time to say those things before you drop the gun. Did it hit? Did it work? Does it need some more? All right, same thing, control pair, depress muzzle. Did I hit? Did I hit? Did it work? Does it need some more?
That means don't drop your gun. Don't be in a rush to drop your gun is what he's saying. Pay attention.
All right, high ready, double tap. Double tap.
Guys,
Again.
Look at me real quick. You shouldn't have to do major movements with the rifle to put the safety back on. I'm watching some of you having to like take the gun and move it under your armpit and do all kinds of crazy shit. You shouldn't have to do that. You're just moving either your thumb or your index finger depending on.
Release the grip, let the thumb work. All right, depress muzzle, double tap. Depress muzzle, over the sights, over the sights.
There you go, bro.
Depress muzzle with the gun where you can still get your chin over your buttstock to look left and right. So go to depress muzzle. Turn right. Turn left. See the sight. All right, depress muzzle, double tap.
Hot brass sucks, huh?
Right. Safe them, let them hang real quick, downrange.
Downrange.
All right, so moving a little bit. We're not even gonna start running, but we're gonna talk about turning drills, basically. We're gonna add a little bit. So everything you just did, you're gonna do again. Two big things is gonna happen though. Your muzzle is gonna have to be minded a little more purposefully because you're gonna be turning, you'll be facing left or right